Absolutely. I mean, when we created JEDI, we got inspiration from an agency in the US, which is called DARPA, the Advanced Research Project Agency, which was set up in '58 when basically the US experienced what they call the Sputnik shock. The Sputnik shock, when the Soviets at that time launched the first satellite, suddenly actually the US continent became vulnerable to potential attacks from outside. So the president at that time, Eisenhower, decided to set up a very small entity with a very simple objective: no technological surprise. So the objective of the advanced...
So the point was not discovering stuff, but not being surprised.
Not being surprised. That means always being the one who is setting the agenda.